Okay, so this is the kit for the Kia EV6. Comes in two boxes: the jack kit and the wheel in its own box. The contents of the jacking kit include the bag for the jack, etc., gloves, extending handle with two sockets, safety reflective triangle, the jack itself, a ratchet handle for the jack, and wheel nuts. The wheel itself comes in its own box. The wheel comes in its protective case, and there's the wheel. That's it. This is the spare wheel in the boot of the EV6 GT. I have the floor section removed to gain a bit more space, but that's how it sits in there. And the jack kit actually fits nicely in that section in the front. Okay, so here's the kit. We're going to try the spare wheel. First thing before you jack up the car is undo the wheel nuts or loosen them. You'll notice the larger of the sockets is either 21 or 22. We want the smaller, the 21, to fit the wheel nuts, at least on this GT. Now we're going to jack up the car. You'll notice there's a jacking point. Hard to see with the camera like this. You'll see the two notches here. The jack needs to fit in between those two notches. So you take your ratchet handle, here's your switch to reverse the direction. We want to raise it. Of course, you can just raise it manually like this to get it roughly in the right spot. Place the cutout on the top of the jack in between the two notches. Much easier than a traditional jack handle. Obviously the car is in park with the handbrake off. Aha, sorry, handbrake on. Take the wheel nuts off. Whoops. Probably do it with just this, it's quite loose. Using the supplied wheel nuts. And with this one, these wheel nuts, we want the other socket, which is either 17 or 19. We want the 19. Okay, so I'm just put all the wheel nuts on. You can just tighten them. Make sure the wheel is sitting straight on the car. Once they're all on,
why is it still focused?
I'm going to tighten them up in a cross kind of pattern. Make sure it's on straight. We'll tighten them up properly once the car's on its wheels. Now we can switch the ratchet handle to the opposite direction. And lower the car down. Just a little video here to show the car is still jacked up here, just to show there is clearance for the large calipers on the GT.